Hi guys, today we're talking about unnotified things. Here, let me show you. And then they won't know because here, just read it. Pause it if you want to read it, bro.
Wait, let me read it out loud. Hi guys! I look so bad, but she forces me. Bro, my eyes. I didn't get ready for bed yet, so let's go to the first message. Hi! So, call. Okay. Wait. Bro, sorry. Accident. 99 nights. Athena, let's call tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, Riley. Don't mind that. This is too much messages. Good morning, Athena. Good morning. Let's call later. Okay, wanna call? Wait. Later.
You should give him a voice.
Wanna call now? I'm too lazy to answer.
Riley.
Riley, bro, help! Why my cousins are killing each other? What do I do? Tell them to kill each other. And if they get caught or tired, they will stop. That's not happening, bro. They're actually... Okay, that's enough. Call, bro. Riley, send me a picture of you, please. Why? Oh, please, I'm not explaining. Just send me a picture. Thank you. Why did the pictures? My photo. Because my cousin that we see ghosts and I need evidence. Call later. Wanna call? Good morning, Athena. Wanna call Riley? Okay, later. I'm in boxing. Okay. Wait, I'm not done reading!
Yeah, I just did a funny.
Bro, what? I don't wanna say, just say it. We're still friends, but what?
I have a crush.
I have a crush on Audrey, okay? Just to be honest, you're calling me Kupal and Harry na
Imagine they stumble on YouTube and they saw your video. And then your family got on.
Oh my gosh, get called. What the heck? We don't need to see that. Okay. Call later, by the way. Okay, do you even know what kupal means? Yes. Wanna call. Bakit hindi ka nag-chat? That's enough. Let's skip that. Fuck you.
Fuck you too. Whoa.
Okay. Answer the phone. I'll tell you about your crush. Riley. Okay, that's enough. I started. Don't need to see that.
And look at it. How do you have that photo?
Hi Riley, sorry for calling you Triley. Okay, I like calling him Triley or Cryly. It's Riley, so who cares?
You can literally put anything in his name. Like
Don't forget
Riley.
if you don't forgive me, I'm gonna spam you with your ugly pictures. I have so much, bro. Like, you were in in the stroller. Okay, I'll show you the picture. Hello, Riley. Wanna call? It's Athena's cousin. We need to talk about
I think
Athena.
he's in a vacation.
I just like annoying him. Okay, you want me to read this? This long thingy? Okay. I wish I
No, I can read it. I wish I never met you.
I wish I never met you. We were only friends because of our parents. Huh? And I wish they're not. My mom told me to be friends with you. Sometimes I lie. Okay, that's enough.
Whoa. Sometimes I like. Sometimes.
Okay, guys, you want to see the picture of him on the stroller? I'm gonna post this.
I show it.